Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations showing off this. It's the Lefant. This is a robot vacuum cleaner. It is a premier brand, and I gotta tell you the experiment we're doing right now. I have salted this glass table, and you'll be able to see my Lefant robot vacuum working on this while we talk. We'll have some overlays, we'll have some use footage, but this thing, I've already tested it once, is absolutely fantastic. So I've taken just a ton of salt, ground it all around this table, and I want to show you how clean and efficiently this robot vacuum does. On top of all of that, I gotta tell you, it's fantastic. This robot vacuum is not going to fall off the edges. Some of those big brand robot vacuums are gonna go right down your stairs, gonna fall off edges, and gonna get stuck places. Now, what are some of the advantages to the Lefant? Well, first I gotta tell you it's ultra quiet. This is a decibel reader. It looks like it's about 60 decibels. Ambient room noise is probably about 46. My talking is 70 to 80. So you can still carry on a conversation, and think about it. This robot vacuum is sitting between me and our microphone, and you can still hear me talk. Now this thing is absolutely fantastic. It's going across the table, it's cleaning up, and it's getting up the mess without any issues. It's able to detect dirty areas, really hit them, and it's not falling off the sides. That's because it's a high quality product. It's low to the ground, so it's able to get under furniture at only 94 millimeters, and this thing has a big and powerful battery that is built to last. Now with it, you're gonna get the charger, you're gonna get the charging cable, the docking station, you're gonna get an extra set of the brushes, and this has dual brushes, rubberized wheels, and everything in between to make this a premier product. On top of all of that, you know what's great about this robot vacuum cleaner is that it's got an incredible app that allows you to schedule your cleanings. It allows you to clean when you're not home, clean when you're asleep, and because it's so quiet, it's just a little bit of white noise, you're not even going to notice it. You know, some of those robot vacuums, you can hear them with their big plastic wheels, just rah, 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 rah. You can't even hear the wheels. It's just a smart, intelligent design. This will avoid obstacles, and it's going to do a great job of cleaning your house. You can already see that the table is getting cleaner, and this thing is not gonna stop until all that salt is up. So it doesn't matter if you've got dirt and debris, if you've got messy kids, or even if you've got some pets, this is going to be a tremendous robot vacuum cleaner that's going to make a world of difference in your life. Folks, one of the other cool things that I like about this robot vacuum is that it has a remote control. You can use the app and you can drive it around your house and put it just about anywhere. You can move it to that dirty area. That's something I've never seen on a robot vacuum before, and that's super fantastic. So folks, one of the other things I like about this is it's really a stylish look. Lefant has gone ahead and used that piano black to make a gorgeous vacuum cleaner. All right, now if you're looking for something with a great amount of suction, it's a great vacuum cleaner for you. If you're looking for something that's able to get under furniture, this is a great vacuum cleaner for you. If you want something that'll get up even the finest grains of salt out of your carpet, off of your tile floor, this is the vacuum cleaner for you. If you want something that's going to be convenient, well, again, this is the vacuum cleaner for you. This thing will map out your entire house. This thing will know your rooms, and you'll be able to set it to take care of individual areas. That's because it's got one of the smartest applications on the planet, and the designers are some of the smartest folks, because Lefant, L-E-F-A-N-T, is premier. They're elite. They're a fantastic brand that you're gonna wanna go ahead. You're gonna love it. All right, folks. So again, my name is Adam. Elite Demonstrations. See, it's gone the perimeter, it's a smart design, and now it's going to do the inside to take care of the center. It's gonna do the same thing with your room. It's gonna do the perimeter, and then it's gonna zig and zag in a smart method to go ahead and get your house clean. I'm Adam, Elite Demonstrations. We're showing you some of the best products around, and guess what? Look how clean. It's got this completely dirty table.
Returning to charging dock.
And then it just charges itself. So again, ultra quiet.
Pause cleaning.
You're gonna wanna get this.